Super Achievers Abroad Education Presents, PTE Exam Updates. Only for you. This is PTE Mock Test. Record your voice in other device. For free assessment, connect with us through email ID or WhatsApp. Like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Share your suggestions and feedback in comment box. Click on the bell icon. There are more than 1,000 species of butterfly around the globe. Scientists are researching on butterfly. The life cycle of butterfly is well known. A latest research came out in India.
A group of lepidopterists have added a species to the expanding list of butterflies in India. The discovery of the species in the Western Ghats a decade ago has now found place in the Journal of Threatened Taxa. The new taxon of lycaenid butterflies belonging to the Nakajuba genus had been first cited by a team Nature History Society. Line blues are small butterflies belonging to the subfamily Lycaenidae, and their distribution ranges from India and Sri Lanka to the whole of Southeastern Asia, Australia, and Samoa. It is the first time that a butterfly species was discovered by an all-Indian research team from the Western Ghats.
The butterfly is one of the most emblematic totem animals symbolizing personal transformation. Perhaps, this animal totem guides you to be sensitive to your personal cycles of expansion and growth, as well as the beauty of life's continuous unfolding. An important message carried by the spirit of the butterfly is about the ability to go through important changes with grace and lightness. A secondary meaning of the butterfly is about finding joy in life and lightness of being. If you are planning for abroad immigration or education, get updated news, get latest questions, reviews, like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Share your suggestions and feedback in comment box. Click on the bell icon.